This hair color though. Look at this, y'all. Ain't that gorgeous? Welcome back, y'all. We have some more color and this one is so fabulous. So I've really been enjoying color lately. If you are new to my channel, I am natural. I've been natural for about 5 years and I actually have a tapered cut that I cut myself, and I'll include the tutorial so that you guys can see what it looks like, and also a picture here so you can see how short my hair is. And throughout my 5-year journey, I have not colored my hair at all. I haven't done the whole highlight thing. I haven't done the bronze tips or anything. I haven't done any of that because I'm so afraid of the damage that it might do to my natural hair. So what I generally opt for is a wig. The unit that I'm wearing is from Hairvivi. This is their Boss Lady unit, and I can see why they named it that because it's definitely bossy and the color is gorgeous. It has black roots and it transitions really well into this golden brownish effect that has highlights near the front area. It also transitions into this chocolate brown, and y'all, it's fierce. And I love that this one actually came with all the work done for you. So I'm gonna go about showing you all the installation process. We're gonna get into that and then I'll give you more details on the unit.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. You see that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People fear the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
So now that you all were able to see how I installed the unit and how it took little to no time at all, I'm sure you all noticed that there are some upgrades that were made to their unit. Of course, the color. They have so many different units on their website that have amazing color. Someone requested that I do blonde, and I am gonna try my best to do a blonde unit. Maybe from their website, I'm not sure, but I want to kind of try it out. I don't know what it would look like on me, and I've been nervous for the longest to even see what this type color would look like on me. But now that I see that that works, I'm kind of slowly transitioning into more color, and the number of options that they have on their website are just really tempting me to just go for it and just try a fully blonde unit. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, they have so many different units that have color, and they've also increased their parting space. Whereas in the past they had about 3 to 4 inches of parting space, which is very standard for most websites. They now offer 5.5 inches of parting space, and it looks really natural. You can actually get them to customize the unit by bleaching the knots for you. Mine weren't over bleached, which is awesome. I know that some people have complained about over bleached knots, but they have been working to make sure that doesn't occur, and the unit that I received did not have any over bleached knots. So that was awesome. It did come with a pre-plucked hairline that I could absolutely go in and pluck a bit more if I desired, but I felt like it was okay the way that it came. Now, what was my challenge is actually trying to make sure that both sides were securely covered over my boxy hairline. I've shared in the past that my hairline gives me a challenge. There's a great deal of the stocking cap that's exposed. If I pull it forward, it only comes this far, so there's still that exposed area, and I probably have to leave out my edges in order to make it work. And even then, I don't know if it would look as natural as it would if I were to have gone up a size. So I probably have to get a size large next time just to make sure I have full coverage for my edges. But if you have a round hairline, you should be okay getting the size that you naturally get. This unit is in length 18, and it is in 150% density. They don't actually offer it in different lengths or in different densities, so that's something to keep in mind. My hair is in Indian virgin hair, but they do also offer this particular unit in what they call luxury ponytail hair, and that's just another term for Brazilian virgin hair. One of the other features that I noticed, which I kind of smiled about, was that their elastic band has changed. In the past, they just had a standard elastic band that they sewed on. Now they actually have the one that has the clasps, like the bra that I shared in one of my other videos that another company had done. So that's another thing that they offer, where you can actually adjust it so that it's tighter or looser. I actually initially put it on the tightest setting and realized that was not going to be good for me. When I put the unit on my head, it was way too tight. I don't even believe I could get it on that setting, so I did have to expand it out so that it was on the first class. So yeah, ladies, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you're wanting to make sure that you're not damaging your natural hair, y'all just use a wig. It is so convenient and easy. You all enjoyed seeing me with some more color. Be sure to let me know down in the description box what color you all want me to try next. I'm trying to try out so many different hair colors. I told y'all at the beginning of this year we were going to be getting out of our comfort zone, and one way I was going to be doing that is through hair color. I know y'all tired of hearing me saying that, but I had gotten on this streak of just black for a while. But I'm going to be doing some more hair color. We are closely entering winter, but it's still fall. We got a few more weeks, so I'm going to be giving you all some more looks with color, and I want to know what you guys want to see. So let me know in the comment section. Be sure to check the description box for the link to this unit and all the details. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.